Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 strongest characters in My Hero Academia. From explosive powerhouses to strategic geniuses, we are diving into the quirks and abilities that make these heroes and villains truly unbeatable. Get ready for an action-packed journey through the world of My Hero Academia's elite fighters. Number 5. Star and Stripe. Most of My Hero Academia storylines are based in Japan. However, along with the series and its movies, we have seen a glimpse of other societies and their heroes. One of them is Star and Stripe, the number one hero of the USA. Her civilian name is Kathleen Bate and her quirk is New Order. With this power, Bate is capable of setting rules on her surroundings so she can manipulate and bestow new properties onto herself and the world around her. However, she must make physical contact with the target, speak its name, and explain the rule she wants to impose. Thanks to the nature of her quirk, she can give herself additional abilities and impressive physical capabilities like enhanced strength, speed, reflexes, and agility. But she can also manipulate the condition of her adversaries. Such is her power that even the mightiest villain of this universe, All for One, considered her the strongest woman around and feared her. Number 4. All for One. One of the best villains in superhero anime is the one from My Hero Academia, All for One. He is one of the central antagonists in the story. At the core of his strength lies his unique quirk called All for One. With this, he has the ability to steal and accumulate other individuals' quirks through physical contact, leaving the person quirkless. Because of his accumulation of quirks, All for One has superhuman strength. We have witnessed his powers in multiple battles, even against All Might himself, and it can be overwhelming to see. He also has a highly strategic mind and grand ambition. His long-term scheming, calculated maneuvers, and thirst for power just add extra layers to his villainous persona. Number 3. All Might. The symbol of peace and former number one hero, All Might is one of the greatest heroes of Japan and the whole earth within My Hero Academia. His quirk is One for All, a unique power that can be passed down from one user to the next. This quirk granted One for All superhuman strength, enhanced durability, and exceptional speed. In his prime, All Might's mere existence instilled fear in villains, symbolizing the pinnacle of heroism in this world. His strength goes beyond physical abilities. He embodies an unwavering spirit of perseverance, hard work, resilience, selflessness, justice, and hope in the face of difficulties. It is in his personality and mindset where All Might's real courage lies. Number 2. Deku. Izuku Midoriya, or Deku, is one of the most loved protagonists of shonen anime. Since he was a little kid, Izuku had always dreamed of becoming a hero, just like his idol, All Might. However, he was born without a quirk and his dreams were shattered by this. But it's his great determination and heroic spirit that caught the attention of the legendary hero, who ultimately decided to bestow One for All upon Izuku, as it was previously bestowed upon him. With this ability, Deku develops incredible physical strength, but he also has to learn how to adapt to it. At the beginning, he couldn't completely control One for All without getting hurt. Because of the nature of this quirk being passed on, each of the inheritors can add their own strength and quirks into One for All, resulting in an accumulation of power over generations. Therefore, Izuku is able to use manipulate quirks from previous holders. But another remarkable trait about Deku is his knowledge of hero skills and tactics. His analytical mind allows him to easily confront situations and make strategic decisions during battles, showing incredible tactical brilliance. This complete set of abilities is what places Izuku as one of the strongest characters in My Hero Academia. Number 1. Tomura Shigaraki. The strongest character among a host of powerful contenders is one of the scariest villains in anime, Tomura Shigaraki. He is the main antagonist in the story, being the leader of the League of Villains and people of All for One, who raised him to be his successor. His quirk is called Decay, a power that allows him to disintegrate whatever he touches, organic or not. Later in the plot, the disintegration can even spread beyond his touch, which provides long range to his attacks. As All for One is successor, he has inherited the same quirk, All for One. This gives him the ability to steal the quirks of other people and use them at his will. All for One transferred his power to Shigaraki with the intent to possess his body, but Shigaraki regains total control over it and the quirks bestowed upon him. All of this power combined with his wits and tactical intelligence is what makes him worthy of being the strongest. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our countdown of the top 5 strongest characters in My Hero Academia, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Who is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.